guys, welcome back. So DUSK, Scarlet, and I teamed up to show you guys a few looks that can be achieved using their makeup line. In case any of you guys haven't heard of DUSK, Scarlet, I'm going to give you the rundown real quick. For $29.95, you will get a palette every 2 months, not every month, so you don't need to worry about drowning yourself in palettes, and you do have the option to skip. Every palette contains 3 eyeshadows, 2 cheek products, and 2 lip paints. The palette I'll be showing you guys today is edition number 7. All editions are marked right on the back of each palette. This is in collab with influencer Roxette Arisa. You can find her on YouTube as well as Instagram. Big congrats to her. This palette also includes a lip liner and eyeliner, and those particular products do change out bi-monthly. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, leave this a big thumbs up, and let's jump into it. So I'm dipping into the highlight first, called Rockstar. When I swatched this on my finger, I knew I had to do a look throwing this all over my face. So I just took a flat brush, packing this all over my brow bone as well as my lids. This way, those particular areas are going to stand out the most. From here, I'm going to pick up a blending brush, and I'm going to pick up some more of that same product, just blending this all over my eyes, smoothing it out, as well as blending it really deep on the inner corners. Next, I'm going to go in with Bora Bora, this gorgeous blue eyeshadow, and I'm going to just pack this on the inner corner of my eyes using a very small detailed brush. Taking this rose gold eyeliner called Goddess, I'm going to smudge this on my lower lash line as well as my waterline. I'm going to continue going into Rockstar, blending this on my lower lash line as well as my cheekbones, and as I'm blending it on my cheekbones, I'm connecting it with my eyes. I'm going to continue bathing myself with this highlight, applying it all over my face, my cupid's bow, tip of my nose, bridge of my nose, above my brows, everywhere I see fit, as well as my shoulder and collarbone, making everything just glow. Time for some blush, going in with Lovesick. This is such a gorgeous, gorgeous color, and it's very pigmented. A little goes a very long way. I'm now going to pick up bronze and just apply this on the outer corner of my lower lash line just to provide some depth. Applying some mascara to the upper and lower lashes, and for falsies, I'm going in with Iconic Light from House of Lashes. Taking the lip liner in Foxy, which is a gorgeous warm tone brown color, which is right up my alley. Those are the type of lip liners I tend to go for the most, and I love how creamy this actually is. Now going in with one of the lip paints. This one is called Smooch, a beautiful nude color with a creamy satin finish. So I had to apply a little bit of glitter, so I'm taking my Urban Decay Heavy Metal Liner in Gamma Ray and just applying this where the blue shadow is. And at the last minute, I decided to go back in with Rockstar and just dab this right on the center of my lips to give it a little bit of a metallic feel. And that is it for look number 1. So I'm going to go in with the blush in the palette called Lovesick. I'm going to blend this all over my eyes with my MAC Big Fluffy brush. I'm going to start doing the regular window wiper motions, slight circular motions, and building up that color to where I want it to be. Now I'm going to pick up some of the highlight in the palette called Rockstar, apply a pretty generous amount on my brow bone, then switching brushes to my blending brush to smooth everything out. Going back into Lovesick as well as Rockstar, applying Lovesick first on the inner corners of my eyes, then taking Rockstar and applying that right on top. Going in with the rose gold eyeliner called Goddess and applying that to my waterline. From here, I'm going to go back into Lovesick and smudge that on my lower lash line. Since it is a blush, I'm just going to go right ahead and apply this on my cheeks. And because this blush is very pigmented, I'm just going to pick up a separate brush with no added product just to diffuse it a little bit. Now we're going to apply some highlight, going in with Rockstar and applying that to the high points of our face. Now I'm going to apply a little bit of mascara to the upper and lower lashes using the new Smashbox mascara, and for falsies, going in with Huda Beauty and Samantha. For lips, I'm going to pair it up again with the Foxy lip liner along with the lip paint in Smooch. And that is it for look number 2. First, removal of the lashes. Then we're going to change up this soft look, make it a little bit more dark and dramatic. So I'm picking up this brown eyeshadow called Bronze, packing this all over my lids. And I'm also going to smudge that on the lower lash line. And to make sure everything is nicely put together, I picked up my blending brush to smooth it out. Then throwing on Lily Lashes in the style Prom. And I did keep the same nude lip as I did with the previous looks, but I want to show you guys how the second lip color looks like, which is a beautiful soft brick color. It's still on the nude family, which I absolutely love because nude lipsticks are my thing. I really hope you guys enjoyed all 3 looks I created using this one palette completely alone. Definitely don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to check out DUSK, Scarlet. I'm going to link their website down below in the description box, along with a 30% off discount code. Let me know which look was your favorite, and I can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye!